It takes inspiration and activity to a point of insanity to create something that is truly worthwhile for everybody's well-being. Well, our entire lives have been like this here at Isha. Highly inspired atmosphere always, and activity bordering insanity. There's no day, there's no night, all the time we're on and on and on. Well, right now here at Isha Institute of Inner Sciences, the entire team is gearing up to see that myself, 2 more motorcycles, and a crew of about 18 or 19, it's become now, I think, of videographers, photographers, technology people, all sorts, all loading up for maybe 3 weeks or more. Nearly 10,000 miles I'm talking about, 15 to 16,000 kilometers on road for next 3 weeks. So hectic activity is going on. I don't know if we'll get to sleep, but we have to leave in the morning because there are certain places we have to be by tomorrow afternoon. So be with me on this effort. The idea is to bring a different dimension of this part of the world to everybody's experience, particularly the spiritual and other aspirations of people of different cultures. So, this series of exploring the spiritual America is going to start already. We've started in the last 3 days, we've been shooting in the local areas, but the road journey is going to really start off tomorrow morning, and 10,000 miles. Stay with me.